It is very wet and cold today, so I just placed out some sunflower seeds for them because the wild bird seed, when it gets wet, it just like turns to like mush. So at least the seeds in the shells, even if they get a little bit wet, they'll still be able to use them. And I also got them some baby carrots. I want to put those in here too. Or them. I'll just dump them on the bowl here. Let's see how they like those. I have brought them carrots before, but it's been like the big ones and I've sliced them up. So we'll see if they like the baby carrots too. I did see Ripley and Char when I came out a little bit earlier to check to see how bad it was raining. I just brought a handful of peanuts with me, and Ripley came out and grabbed the peanuts from me. Char was over here eating out of the bowl, and then I haven't seen them come back out since. Oh, hi buddy, how's it going? You gonna come have some food? It's alright. It's okay. What you doing? Huh? You wanna come see me? You hiding? What are you doing? You gonna have some food? Oh, you're thirsty, are we? Yeah, I didn't need to refill the water bowls today, did I? Oh, there's another little one over here. They're coming out, the babies. Little. Hi, buddy. Are you Char? I think that's Char. Hey, Rip. You want a peanut, buddy? Of course you do. I got carrots there, too. You want a peanut, Char? Here, monkey. No, you want seeds? Oh, you guys are becoming like cinnamon, eh? The water's dripping on me. Whoa! Blue Jay just swooped in and grabbed the peanut. Yeah, it's definitely still raining a bit. Where we are underneath this tree, it has pretty good shelter. But when it does drip, it's like big drips because they're falling from the branches, right? So the water accumulates as it falls down. Blue Jay's up there screaming at me somewhere. Oh, today too, I was inside and I just happened to be looking out one of the windows in the basement, and this little chickadee like flew up to around the frame of the window and grabbed a piece of insulation with its little feet and took off with it. And I was like, are you kidding me? I couldn't believe it. Even those little chickadees are smart enough to know what the best materials are for their nests. It's pretty amazing. You gonna come down, Mr. Blue Jay? Huh? No? Hi, buddy. What's up? You come have some food? Huh? It's okay. I know it's raining. I know. You guys don't like that. It gets you all dirty, doesn't it? I know, and you don't like being dirty. very vocal, are we? Yeah, Rippy. I like those seeds, bum. What in the... God, now I'm having leaves fall on my head. Give me a bloody heart attack. Feels good, buddy? Eh. Is everybody else hiding out from the rain? I don't blame them. It's kind of chilly out.